Hi, welcome to my channel about embedded systems, electronics, fischtechnik and robotics. This video is about my driving robot discovery made of fischtechnik and based on the TXT controller, running embedded Linux, and it's controlled via a laptop running Linux. My focus is on the driving behavior. As you could see in the last video, it goes not just in a straight line, it makes many times a strange direction, and I want to see why. So my idea is to put lamps attached to the motor, and those are lamps like this one. Unfortunately, I don't have enough connectors to attach them to it. Connectors like these two. Let me see if I can zoom in. So like this one and that one. But I don't have those yet. I have still to order them. So substitute is an LED with a resistor with two wires attached to the same motor input. So that's what I'm going to do, and then observe whatever happens, which motor does things more than the other one or not. Let's see how that ends up. So when the lamps don't go, this is a substitute, and in my other project you have seen them before with minus and the plus. So where do these go? And these, because I have two of them, one is going here and one is going here because those are the motors. This one is going to the lamp and this one is attached to number 4. So what I do is attach them to them and then see whichever LED is going to burn in which case. So mounting one, and that's just one LED to do. And yes, this wire is a little bit too long, but I think I should fix that. And yes, I did shorten this wire and this one, so now they're firmly attached. And now the question is, will do what they're intended to do. So I have to power up the interface and then switch to screencast to see any result. So with this screencast, and if you've seen the series before, then you know that these two are meant to show the contents of the controller, that controller obviously. This one is for showing displays, showing the images taken with this camera, and this is RoboPro. You can see here no route to host, so I'm using RoboPro after checking the IP address for any connection. That is not promising. So this should be the correct one. I have a connection issue right now, so I have to find out why. And the connection issue has been solved, and it was once again a networking issue, but on a very different place than last time. So getting myself access to the controller, I have to adjust the date, but I'm happy that and that's not correct, this is correct. But I'm happy I have gained access. So first of all, setting the date correct, and then driving and testing the LEDs. Alright, this is for source code and this is for driving it. Let's also check battery voltages. That's right, and that's alright. Not maximum, but it's okay. So let's now see whatever happens to the robot. And that was the one LED, and once again so yes, it shows that the motor has some activity, but it doesn't do anything. That's interesting. Also here's a problem, but that's not that important. The most important thing is that the motor is being activated. One motor only. And that's strange. So I have to test with RoboPro. So test interface. Yeah, well, let's just do something with the motors. And I think that was yeah, 1 and 2. Let's just counterclockwise. I hear a motor, but I don't see it. Okay. Here is a problem. It's not, they are not aligned, the gears. Let's do it here. Yeah, that LED is doing something nice. So, but this LED isn't doing anything, so it may not be connected correctly. Anyway, a mechanical problem right here. I have to fix it. And then I have some more issue, because after fixing this, it turns out that this one is slipping on the axis. So when I lift it, it does it perfectly, but this a lot less. So this isn't working well. And doing this, it just doesn't do anything. Motor 3 and motor 4 are these two. So that doesn't make any sense. So driving is a little bit out of the option right now. How to fix it? That's a very big other question. And there's a lot of weight on it because of the encoder motors. But anyway, it should work. It should get the grip and do it. And once again, it slips over the axis, so there's no driving. Unfortunately. And this LED was tested. They were both okay. So why doesn't it do it now? That's a very different question. Can't tell. But I have multiple problems. Again, with this one, no driving, axis slipping, LED not showing. And the battery voltage is way down below. So it's about to go out. So every fix that I have to do it next time. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment or suggestion. Very much appreciated. Click the bell for notification, and you can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram. Please support via PayPal, Ko-fi or by becoming a patron. Visit my website please, which is listed under the video, and this is to be continued obviously. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.